Hello everyone, welcome to Event Horizons channel. Today we are going to travel to a place where time stands still, light gets trapped, and all the laws of physics you learned in school are completely destroyed. Yes, today we are going to journey into the dark and mysterious heart of black holes. Black holes are perhaps the most terrifying yet fascinating entities in the cosmos. For years, scientists thought they were merely the products of imagination and calculations on paper. But today we know they are real and at this very moment are devouring the space and time around them. But what truly is a black hole, and what secret does it hide? To understand a black hole, we must look at the end of a star's life. Massive stars resist the force of gravity for millions of years by burning their nuclear fuel. But when their fuel runs out, there is no longer any force to counter gravity. In the blink of an eye, the star explodes under its own weight and then collapses. If the mass of this star is large enough, it collapses into itself so much that it becomes an infinitely small and infinitely dense point, a point that scientists call a singularity. At this point, gravity is so intense that it completely warps space around itself, just like placing a heavy ball on a rubber mat, causing the mat to stretch down into infinity. Every black hole has an invisible boundary called the event horizon. This boundary is the point of no return. As long as you are outside this boundary, you are safe, but the moment you cross it by even a millimeter, there is no going back. It doesn't matter if you are a spaceship, a massive planet, or even the fastest thing in the universe. Light. The gravity of a black hole at this boundary is so strong that the escape velocity exceeds the speed of light. That is why we cannot see inside them, because no light escapes from there to reach our eyes or telescopes. But the most amazing part of the story is the distortion of time. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, intense gravity slows down time. If you approach a black hole with a wristwatch and I watch you from afar, I will see the hands of your clock ticking slower and slower. From my perspective, it would take billions of years for you to reach the event horizon, while from your own perspective, everything happens in just a few seconds. Interestingly, black holes are not just the result of dying stars. At the center of almost all large galaxies, including our own Milky Way, there are giant black holes called supermassive black holes. The black hole at the center of our galaxy is named Sagittarius A star, and its mass is more than 4 million times that of our Sun. For years, we only knew these giants by their effects on surrounding stars. But in recent years, scientists achieved the impossible using the Event Horizon Telescope. They managed to capture the first real image of a black hole's shadow in the M87 galaxy, and later in our own galaxy. A glowing ring of hot gases swirling around absolute darkness. This image proved that our theories were correct. Black holes remind us of how vast, strange, and unknown the universe is. They are the frontier of our current knowledge, a place where quantum physics and Einstein's relativity collide, and we still don't know the answers to many questions. What goes on inside a black hole? Are they gateways to other universes? Thank you for joining Ahura's channel on this exciting journey. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments if you would ever want to get close to a black hole or not. Until the next video, stay cosmic. So stay